I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python step by step. First, understand that Python is a powerful, versatile language used in many fields, from web development to data science. To begin, you will need to set up your development environment. I recommend installing Python and an integrated development environment, such as Visual Studio Code, on your computer. Then, navigate to Code with Harry's dedicated Python course to access the structured learning path. Next, focus on mastering Python's fundamental building blocks. Code with Harry's course meticulously covers essential concepts like variables, which store data, and various data types, including integers and strings. You will also learn about operators for performing calculations and comparisons. Crucially, you will grasp control flow statements, such as if-else conditions and different types of loops, which dictate program execution. Actively engage with the provided examples, and complete all exercises to solidify your understanding. After the basics, it is time to dive into more advanced Python topics. Code with Harry guides you through creating and using functions, which are essential for writing reusable and organized code. You will then explore object-oriented programming, or OOP, learning about classes and objects to model real-world entities. Furthermore, you will discover how to leverage Python's vast ecosystem by importing and utilizing various modules and packages, significantly expanding your programming toolkit. Finally, continuous learning is key to becoming a proficient Python developer. After completing the structured course, challenge yourself by building small, independent projects to apply your newly acquired skills. Actively participate in the Python community, whether through forums or local meetups, to gain insights and collaborate. Always strive to stay updated with the latest Python features and best practices, ensuring your skills remain relevant and sharp in the ever-evolving tech landscape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.